Highland Woodworking now offers SawStop cast iron router tables. They don't include contact detecting safety technology, but they do offer high quality and a wide range of optional extras, so you can put together a router table with just the features you want, whether it's attached to your SawStop table saw, freestanding, or benchtop. Let's take a look at the offerings. SawStop offers three lines of router tables: inline, standalone, and benchtop. The standalone series are freestanding router tables and are available with either a phenolic or cast iron top. They both include a sturdy, stable, powder-coated steel stand with adjustable feet and built-in mobility wheels. The phenolic model weighs 102 pounds and the cast iron 156. If you need something more compact, SawStop offers a benchtop cast iron table. On its steel stand, it's 16 inches tall. The top is 27 by 16, and the base's footprint is slightly smaller. It may be compact, but thanks to all that cast iron, it weighs in at 85 pounds. The inline tops are cast iron and fit SawStop's contractors and cabinet saws. Positioned inside your table saw's footprint, they save precious shop space, but their mass transforms your table saw and router table into an incredibly stable machining center. Call us or see our website for more information about fitting an inline table on your SawStop contractors or cabinet saw. The SawStop router tables all have many features in common. They all come with a 3.5-inch tall aluminum fence. The fence includes a 2.25-inch dust port and adjustable split faces with provision for shimming for jointer and other offset operations. They all come with a large paddle switch to turn your router on and off without bending over. They all have dual slots, one standard 3/4-inch miter slot for miter gauges and sleds, and one T-slot for accessories that are mounted with standard 1/4-inch hex or T-bolts. They all have the same opening for base plates. No base plate is included, but since the opening is a common size, 11 3/4 by 9 1/4 inches, many brands will fit. They all accept the SawStop router lift and downdraft dust collection box as extras. The optional steel downdraft dust collection box contains any shavings that end up below the tabletop and connects to a 4-inch hose. The hose connection junction also lets you connect the fence's 2.25-inch dust port to your central dust collection system. Adjustable draft assures maximum collection efficiency. The optional SawStop router lift accepts router motors between 3.25 and 4.25 inches in diameter. The SawStop router lift has a 1/4-inch aluminum plate and a chain synchronized 4-post lifting mechanism for fast and easy above the table cutting height adjustments. SawStop's router tables offer the weight, rigidity, and stability of cast iron, letting you reach greater levels of precision in your shop. Visit highlandwoodworking.com or call us if you have more questions about whether the inline tops will fit your SawStop table saw.